Now here we will discuss the general trend in D block element. Now see, first, that is atomic number. This atomic number here, this is atomic number, means from 21 to 30, right? 21 to 30, its atomic number and its general configuration in their ground state, that is metal, that is given here general configuration. Then metal with plus 1 oxidation state, plus 2 and plus 3 oxidation state are given here. So means here slowly it lose electron to form M plus. That is the oxidation state here explained, that is now. Then enthalpy of atomization. This enthalpy of atomization, as we know, the enthalpy of atomization is directly proportional to number of unpaired electron. Enthalpy of atomization delta HA proportional to number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron is more the number of unpaired, more the enthalpy of atomization. See here, in case of zinc, as we consider zinc, it is 4s2 3d10. There is no unpaired electron. There is no unpaired electron. Therefore, the enthalpy of atomization of zinc is 126 kilojoule per mole, right? That is given. So this is also asked in your board exam, why the enthalpy of atomization of zinc is very low, that is 126. The reason is that due to unpaired electron, right? Because all paired electron here, all paired, so that enthalpy of atomization is less, because enthalpy of atomization is directly proportional to number of unpaired electron. Now after this, one question is there from the ionization enthalpy. What do you mean by ionization enthalpy? Ionization enthalpy means what? Minimum energy required to ionize electron. See here it is given as ionization first, ionization second, ionization third. Means at a time only one electron is to be ionized. So as one electron ionized, see here, suppose that there is a 3 electron in a valence shell, and at a time one electron ionized, this is E1. For this IEE2, this is for IE3. Here what happened, as electron ionize 1, 2, 3, then its attraction towards nucleus is increases. Its attraction towards nucleus is increases, so that its ionization enthalpy also increases. Therefore, always by the ionization of 1, 2, 3 electron, always IE3 is greater than IE2 than IE1. So here ionization third is always greater than the IE2, IE3 respectively, because here ionization enthalpy always, as electron ionize, attraction towards nucleus decreases. Then here it is given metallic and ionic radii. Metallic and ionic radii, as we are discussing, as atom lose electron to form ion, its radii decreases, definitely decreases. Now see, then very important part, that is standard electrode potential. What do you mean by standard electrode potential? Standard electrode potential is that in which here elements are arranged in their electrode potential value. Why standard? Because when this potential is calculated, at that time temperature is 298 Kelvin and pressure is 1 bar. This is a condition for standard, right? This is a condition for standard. So at this condition, when electrode potential is calculated, that electrode potential is said to be standard electrode potential. Now as we know SHE, the electrode potential of hydrogen is 0.0 volt. the potential of hydrogen is 0.0 volt. Now see, as the potential is 0.0 volt, then they are arranged in a series. There is a series, and the series is given in this way. At the between there is H2 changes to H plus, and its potential is 0.0 volt, right? And the above potential given, that is positive, and below the hydrogen it is given negative potential value. And while moving top to bottom, as we observe, the potential are arranged, they are strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent means whose potential is negative, it undergoes oxidation. Whose potential is positive or less negative, that undergoes reduction. So that is the standard electrode potential value. Now this electrode potential value is given here. This is